Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this mermaid sitting on a rock trick on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to use the hair from the code item. You can use any that you want. Actually, it's not from the code item. It's from, oh, I don't remember where, oh, there we go. It's like from the rewards item, and I'm just going to color it this red. And then I'm just going to select animated front wind, I think. Yeah. Then I'm going to go to the code item and I'm going to get the mermaid's tail. You can use any color that you want, of course, but I'm trying to create like a little mermaid look, which is overused, but it's fine. You can use that one out there, like the top, but I'm just going to use one from VIP again. You can use the one outside VIP. Can I? No pearls. There we go. Alright, once you're done with that, we are going to, let's just go to VIP so you can see a little bit better. Go to the dressing rooms and we're going to select the feather boa. Make it low and we're going to color it blue for like the ocean. And then we will also be using this bag. If I can just find it. Where is it, honestly? Where's that bag? Oh, here. I don't know what this bag is called, but it's this one. And we're going to make the material foil for all of it. And we're going to color it brown for like rocks. Then you're going to get the teddy bear. There we go. And then the same, we're going to select type 3 first. And then we're going to add foil to all. And we're going to color it the same brown as the rock. There we go. Okay, once you're done with that, we are going to go outside. We're going to get the pumpkin as well as the flower bouquet. So for the pumpkin, you're going to again color it brown for the rock and add a foil texture. And then for the flower bouquet, you're going to color the first one foil and brown. Okay, can't add texture, but. And then for the rest, we're going to make it the same blue as the one on our fur boa. Select the ice skating post back and then select the tents. And it looks like you're like on a rock out of water. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.